your legs it's gonna like hurt. So you can run, but your legs go get tired.
That's what I'm saying.
And there's rules, but there's like the rules is like simple. The rules is like
How you
I've been
know?
here before and died. Yes, you have. That was the place.
Everybody been here before.
Not everybody. My cousin had it.
Who? Who?
Cousin. Come here. What's his name?
Chase.
Kalani been here before.
Imani.
Who?
Imani.
Oh, Imani. Look at that dog pooping.
My cousin. What did they do? That dog was trying to bit me. That's why I ran.
That dog ain't thinking about you.
No, he was. When I went past it, it was trying to bit.
Okay, family, we finna climb up this little mountain up here.
Hey, y'all see that boys over there acting goofy?
Ain't nobody finna show no boys.
Buckle up.
They playing football.
Football.
Yeah.
Granny, I saw on the series that this girl named Bella was playing football for boys and she was the captain.
Yeah, well, Lauren watched every
That
single
Bella
day.
Porch.
Them stairs broken up, ain't it?
Cause it's no.
Oh, Lord, I'm finna get it.
Buckle up.
I'm finna get up
You want
there.
to see my dance?
Lauren up there already. Lauren and Harmony. Oh, fuck.
Can we fall down? No. Me too. Ready? Can we go?
Don't go down there.
Huh?
We going this way.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
This way.
Well, we're going hiking like we did at school. Yeah.
Oh, no. No holding hands. Because you'll fall.
All I just gotta say is just do not get on the edge. I'm confident.
I've been up here before, girlfriend.
But you do not go behind me. I don't trust you behind me. I'm on top of this world and you know it. Hey, hey.
Lauren, quit playing around.
I'm finna fall.
Quit running, Lauren. You know what? Let's just go home.
No.
'Cause I don't want to hear that no more.
I'm on top of the world. And nobody nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up. We go right here. Bye bye. Wait. Whoa.
Keep straight. Yeah, I gotta be careful. Oh, Lord. You wore the wrong shoes, didn't you?
Yeah.
You can't wear them kind of shoes when you come with me, 'cause we go everywhere.
Yeah. Okay.
We all in the forest. That's the wrong way, Lila.
Yeah, wrong way. Is this hiking?
I don't know.
Up there? Oh. There's two ways you can go. Go this way.
Yo, do this with me and stomp and say I'm on the way up.
Oh, Lord. Whew. You right, Harmony. I got it. What is that noise? Shut up, Lauren. Leave me alone. Where y'all going?
Well, if we go down to the beach, can we just get our feet wet?
Where we at?
To the beach.
What's down this way?
Oh, down here?
You see that person right there?
No, I do not go too fast.
If something jump out of these bushes, I'm not.
Why? Oh my goodness! It's leading to the forest.
What's that?
Why is it leading us to this?
It's green pastures.
You're talking godly stuff out of here. I'm the devil.
Rather stop saying stuff like that.
Hey,
What's in them in the forest right there? Is that another trail you following, Lauren?
Oh, hey.
Yeah, stop!
I'm sorry.
Oh my God.
We're going this way. Yeah.
Come on, Katrin.
That's where the deers.
Weeds off of me. I'm not afraid.
Don't run, Lauren. Slow down. Oh. Don't go that way. Don't go that way. Hold on. Let me evaluate where we at.
We're scared.
No.
Beach. But if we go that way, we're not headed.
Y'all, come on.
This way.
Why this way?
Because I said so.
That way?
Yup.
That way.
Let me see. Ain't nothing that way, Lila. Go down.
Well, one of them bushes is
This is creepy.
Oh, Lord. There goes some deer.
Where? Where?
Keep coming and we'll see
Is
it.
it
We in their living room.
it lying?
So they gonna get y'all.
No.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm scared of you. I'm lying.
Bro.
They better not attack me.
Somebody been back here burning fires. Making a fire. Huh. A
And
pit.
they're giving us clues.
Get the freak out of here, these
This
nasty
way.
bugs. I will kill every single last one of you.
Ugh.
Sick of, I can't stand bugs.
Just shut up.
I really can't stand no bugs.
Oh, Lord. Where the hell we at?
Uh-oh.
Don't go that way, Lauren.
You finna get ate. Eaten. Not ate. No!
The deers went that way.
No.
Y'all, let's go over there.
The path is straight down that way.
No, it's not. It's over here.
Yes, it is.
Look, you see you can go around.
Oh, okay, go.
Oh, yeah. Let Lyle be the leader.
We ain't got a living room. We got a breath y'all living room.
Stop. Be quiet. You.
Y'all better not wear them shoes no more with me.
Especially me.
Tell your mama, we be doing too much. I need some tennis shoes.
For real. Oh, did you see that man and that girl?
On that Hamlet. Yeah, I did. It's still over there.
How did you go back? I've never been like this. This way.
This is the kitchen.
Oh. This ain't room.
That's their room.
I wonder
This
what
is
they
a
be doing.
trap.
So what you do when somebody go in your room, Lila? you get seriously mad.
Okay, but this is an environment.
Wait, hold on. Stop.
They don't have rooms. They animals.
They do.
Yeah, they do. They can sleep anywhere.
And they talking to y'all. No, they don't. They got homes. They saying
Where's
there's
the
people.
mom? I want to see the mom.
They saying there's people in the forest.
Dad?
I heard them.
Dad?
I want it.
All the bugs live around here.
Yeah.
How do we get down? That's all I want to know. There's the path down there.
Down here?
I'm not going down that hill.
Me either.
Lauren,
Your sister and your brother are from.
we actually just made a circle.
a circle?
Yeah.
No, we did
did.
not. We did not make a circle. Yeah, we did.
We're making a 9. Which is a long line. Wait. Now we're gonna do
This is the.
At least down
This
here.
is the dining
How we
room.
gonna get down?
Slowly.
This is the dining room. You see this tree?
I don't
That's what they eat off of
Okay.
and nibble.
We're going to follow this path this way. Very slowly and steady.
More do not run.
Lauren, I'm not playing with you. Come over this way.
Give me your hand. No, let me get your hand.
Here, Lauren. Harmony, get down.
stop jumping.
Hold on here.
Yeah, this is the way down. We got to get down. Go slow. Well, let her go.
Hold you tight so you don't.
No, let her go, Lila. Can't nobody hold their balance. Go, Harmony. No, she did that because she's being bad. Go down on the sand thing.
Realize we're not at the park.
Oh, Lord. Get close to the tree so you can hold on to the tree. After that, it ain't nothing else to hold on to.
Yeah.
Y'all better not wear them shoes no more with me.
Where are we?
Go slow, low. My feet gonna be full of sand.
It's already full of sand. There's a bunch of sand up in here. Wow!
Come down.
Whoa!
It's pretty easy now.
Now we're out.
Let's go this way.
I thought we already went this way.
I want to go somewhere where we can get lost for real and have to solve a puzzle.
Yeah.
Well, you'll be by yourself on that.
I'm not going by myself. You coming with me?
That would be hard.
Oh, well.
This path is creepy.
There's people down there.
Oh, so we're not alone.
No,
Wait,
we're not.
let's lead us to the beach.
Yeah.
Yay!
Keep going.
No, it leads us to a dark forest.
Girl, you could be
I've
quiet.
been there
The
before.
claw.
I had it in my nightmare.
You're gonna get caught. Take your time, Lila, before you fall and bust your head. Bust your head on one of these trees.
Come on, y'all. This way.
Oh, yeah. The path. Finally.
Was y'all scared?
No, not right now. I'm not. This is not even scary at all.
I wish we, at night, if it was a big forest, a different way, we'll get lost and get fun.
Oh, yeah, the path leads us straight go and then turn. Yeah. And what? Come here, baby squirrel.
Get away from them squirrels.
That's the road. Imagine we saw a car on this
Go left.
You got the squirrels on camera.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it leads us to the beach. Okay. You didn't know it was gonna be this long.
When we get to the seat, I got to get this sand out my shoes.
Me too. Me too. For me, you got caught,
Actually-
so we good. But I had slides, so I
Wait.
definitely don't think it's a good one. Really, right now, you go get left. How we gonna get back to the car though?
We gonna walk.
Okay.
I told you.
People going this way.
It's both ways. It's both ways. It's all
We
kind
going
of.
that way. Where
Are
the
they
sun
going
is.
forward or backward?
Frontward.
Y'all complain too much. Just enjoy the walk.
Yep, frontward.
Yeah. Please
No,
stay quiet.
forward. Front.
You can talk, just don't
I
complain.
can't tell which way they're going.
Stay
No.
quiet.
This is so good.